All right, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be going over a make automation that we're going to create that takes the receipts or paid invoices that you upload into a Google Drive. It's going to take those and uh, upload them in an organized way into a Google Sheets table, right? Pretty straightforward, not too complicated. I actually already built this, but I just erased everything and I want to build it again just to take you through it if you want to, create something like this for yourself. It just makes it, a little bit easier to follow it step by step. Now, the reason why I made this is I reached out to a buddy of mine and he said he's a, business owner, and he said if something like this was created, it would save him hours of time, right? And save not only for him but for a lot of people. So I figured I'd create this. I have not seen something like this on YouTube, so I figured why not build something like this and show everybody. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. I don't think I have anything else I need to talk about. So yeah, first things first. Actually, before I started, I'm going to show you. So I actually created a demo folder. So how this is going to work is you're going to take a photo of your receipt, right, that you want organized, and take a photo or just upload it if it's whatever file, maybe if it's PDF file, maybe if it's like a paid PDF file of a paid Stripe invoice. This, for example, this is an example that we're going to be using today. I just uploaded the JPEG just to prove to you guys that photos from your phone can be uploaded and extracted into Google Sheets, right? So first things first, Google Drive, watch files in a folder. Now there actually is a way to do this automatically, so where you don't have to manually upload these, but for testing purposes and for what he wants, I'm just going to make it to where you upload these files manually. So connect, if I can move that, I'm going to move this to the other side. Add, sign in with Google, pretty straightforward. Now, once you have that, we're going to select the folder, get the folder that we want, change this to 1 because we're going to only want to upload 1 receipt into the Google Sheet at a time. Now, this watch files, turn this to modified time because the way it works with a Google Drive, the modified time and the created time, since we're uploading these manually, they're going to be 2 very different things, and you just want to make sure you're grabbing the right thing, right? So, last modified basically means the time that the file gets uploaded into the Google Drive folder, and the created time is the time that the file gets created. So if we're doing the invoice, this is a Stripe invoice, the created time would be the time that Stripe automatically creates the invoice. And the modified time would be the time that we take that invoice file and manually upload it to our Google Drive folder, right? So, yeah, keep that. Now, choose where to start. Since we already created our files that I'm going to show for testing purposes, I'm going to change it to all. But if you're going to use this from this second on, you're going to change it from now on, right? I'm just going to go all. So now if we run it, since our PDF file was the first thing that we uploaded into Google Drive, and run it, it's going to grab the invoice PDF file, right? So now, once we have that, we're going to want to download that file. Same thing, connect to the same thing, file ID, very simple. Now we're going to create a filter that if the file ID exists, then it's going to download the file. This just basically, since this thing's going to be running a lot, you don't want it to do more than it has to do, right? So simple filter. And once we have the file, we're going to want to turn that downloaded file into text. Extract text and image. I use Eden AI. You can use stuff like Google Cloud. I think it's called Google Cloud Vision. I signed up for it. I haven't even used it once, but it's very, very expensive. It's unbelievably complicated to set up, APIs and stuff like that, just so you can do something like this in make.com. This is very simple. I'm assuming you don't have an Eden AI account set up. Basically, we're just going to go through this, just to show you how you would do it, right? Sign up. And once you're signed up, it's going to take you to this page. You just go over to API settings. It's going to once you create an account, it's going to automatically generate an API. Copy the key. Once you click add, paste the key, and then it's going to look like this, right? Very simple. Now, we're going to want to transcribe the file, that Google Drive file that we downloaded. Just click it right there. Select all providers, language. Since I'm from, goddamn, I can't decide. Since I'm from New York in the U.S., I'm going to be choosing English in the United States. Wherever you are, just select it accordingly. Now, once we have that file, we want to run it through a GPT prompt that basically gives us the name, amount, and date, right? So I'm going to go auto system, add a system. This is going to be how we want our AI to think. So intelligence assistant that analyzes, damn bro, analyzes receipts, invoices. Oh, paid invoices. I have user. No. God, I cannot fucking type this morning. Is this paid invoice receipt in text format? Result text and tone and the date, amount, and name of the invoice is. Holy shit. Respond. Jack Smith. Case. Oh my god. Comma. $20 and 11/1/2024. Right. Always use commas. This is very important with the commas. Always use commas and only ever respond in that format of name, amount, and name, amount, and date. Date. I'm gonna use 750 just to be safe. This thing shouldn't use more than like 300, but just in case. So yeah, that should be good. I'm gonna run this from the beginning. Use that same PDF. Extract it. Should be good. Download the file. Turn it into text. Now we should get back. Let's see what we should get back. We should get back my name, $0.00, and the date of the issue should be November 2. There we go. I don't know why I clicked on usage. All right. Now it looks like everything's working. We're going to want to upload these. Now we're going to need tools module that basically takes all three of those and, produces their each specific, I guess, output, right? That we can then, categorize it to each column in Google Sheets. If that doesn't make sense, you'll just see it 2 seconds. Set multiple variables. Split. I want to split. Split. It's really important to use this for commas. Otherwise, it's not. Or have commas in the GPT prompt. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Split the result based on commas, right? So now, once that's split, we're going to want. Actually, we're going to need to run this one more time. What we'll do? I'm just going to copy and paste this because this is how this same format's going to look like in this. So GPT result. I'm just copy and pasting that just so we don't have to, run the entire automation again. Run this module only. Now it's going to split all three different things. Now we want to upload this into Google Sheets. I already have a demo thing set up. Delete this actually. Add a row. I call it demo. There we go. Sheet 1. How are we doing on time? All right. Let's try and make this as short as possible. All right. Now, our first one was our name. Our second one was the amount. And then our third one was the date. right? So now let's make sure name, amount, and date. All right, perfect. Now we're gonna run this one more time from that same invoice. And now it should upload Luke Weiler, $0 and 11.2 into this Google Sheets row. All right. All right. And there we go. So, I mean, everything's done. Again, if you have any questions on how to build this, I'm leaving my email. Please feel free to email me or comment, of course. Yeah, I mean, I hope this helped you guys out. By how he described it to me, this will save a lot of business owners a lot of time. So yeah, happy to help, and yeah, have a good day.